Hello, good afternoon. Now, today we shall discuss about liquid crystal. Liquid crystals. All of you are very familiar with the three states of the matter: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. But there is another state also, or you can say there is another phase of the matter which is known as the liquid crystal. In simple way, we can say liquid crystal is a mesomorphic phase. Mesomorphic phase. It has properties between liquid and solid. In other words, we can say that liquid crystals are intermediate state of the matter. Intermediate state. It means, suppose this is the solid state, like this. This is the one of the organic compound, para-azoxyanisole. It is solid. Solid. When it is heated at 116 degrees centigrade, it changes into turbid state. Turbid. Turbid means liquid containing some solid part of the matter. It is not clear. It is not transparent. It is opaque. We cannot see through this state. So this is the turbid state. For example, milk, you can consider milk. Milk is a turbid state, colloidal. Every colloidal solution is a turbid state. So here, this para-azoxyanisole solid, it is heated at 116 degrees centigrade. We get a turbid state, and again on heating we shall get a liquid, means this will completely melt into liquid at 135 degrees centigrade to 145 degrees centigrade. So this is the clear liquid. Now everybody knows that there is a certain characteristics of the solid, characteristics of the liquid. Liquid molecule, they can move in all directions, move in all directions. But solids are rigid. Solids are rigid. There is an order arrangement of the atoms in the solid, and the arrangement is of long range order. So whenever there is a long range ordered arrangement of the atoms, that is the solid. But in liquid, there is a short range arrangement, and long range disorder arrangement. So short range ordered arrangement and long range disordered arrangement, that is the liquid. In case of gas, there is a complete disorder. So in this way, we can very easily explain the solid state, liquid state and gas state. But this is another phase of the matter. Here, this is the liquid crystal. It is the turbid state in between solid and liquid. So now question arises, so why one molecule can behave as a solid and can behave as a liquid also? Yes, it can behave. And this is why it is called as the liquid crystal. Means the molecule or the crystal which has solid character, means ordered element, as well as liquid character, long range disorder, means fluidity. In very simple way, you can say fluid character. So one molecule has a fluid character as well as it has a fixed character, solid character. So how we can explain? Just see, liquid crystals have two parts. This is the liquid crystal. This liquid crystal has two parts. One is the solid part. This is the solid part. Means this portion of the liquid crystal, it shows solid character. And this is called as mesogen. Mesogen, this part, dotted this area. It is the mesogen. Since it is rod-like like this, rod like this, you can say this is the rod-like. So this is the rod-like, here written here, rod-like rigid part of the liquid crystal. This is the rod-like rigid part of the liquid crystal, and it is the mesogen. And there is another example. This is another example in which the rigid part, this is the rigid part, this is the rigid part, this rigid part is disc-like, disc-like, and therefore the mesogen, this is the mesogen, and this mesogen is of disc type, and therefore we say disc-like rigid part, and it is also as mesogen. So in liquid crystal there are two parts. One is the rigid part, second is the fluid part. And this is why liquid crystal can flow as well as it has a rigid character, means solid state character. Now we shall discuss about the types of the liquid crystal. Types of liquid crystal. Now see here, on the basis of preparation of liquid crystal, one type means liquid crystal is prepared by heating. गरम किया, लिक्विड क्रिस्टल हमारा बन गया, कंट्रोल्ड हीटिंग. Such type of liquid crystal are known as thermotropic thermotropic liquid crystals. Thermotropic liquid crystals. Thermotropic liquid crystals are of different types. A pneumatic liquid crystal. B osmotic liquid crystal. And C cholesteric. Cholesteric or chiral pneumatic. So thermotropic liquid crystal means when solid organic compound heated at certain temperature, you will get turbid state. That is the liquid phase, that is the liquid crystal phase, which is known as the mesomorphic state. And on further heating, the turbid state will change into clear liquid, that is the solid part will also melt into liquid. So in this way it is very clear that the mesomorphic state of the matter has two parts, one solid, that is rigid, and second is the fluid. Means the molecule can show crystalline character as well as it shows liquid character, that is the fluidity. Now again, this thermotropic liquid crystal can be subdivided. One pneumatic liquid crystal, osmotic liquid crystal, and cholesteric liquid crystal. So we shall discuss one by one: pneumatic liquid crystal, osmotic liquid crystal, cholesteric liquid crystal, their characteristics and applications. So let us explain pneumatic liquid crystal. Pneumatic liquid crystal. Pneumatic liquid crystal. Pneumatic liquid crystal. So there are certain characteristics of the pneumatic liquid crystal. So here we can have a very clear concept about the pneumatic liquid crystal. So we can say characteristics of pneumatic liquid crystal. Characteristics of the pneumatic liquid crystal. So first characteristic is it looks like thread. Looks like thread. धागा आप जानते हो, धागा को आप काट दीजिए, पानी में डाल दीजिए, उसमें कुछ मूवमेंट होता है. So thread, that is thread like. So first characteristic, this is the one pneumatic, another. So this is the arrangement of the all pneumatic liquid crystal. So you say it is a thread like. So this is the first characteristics of the pneumatic liquid crystal. Here, second thing, it has less order arrangement. Less order arrangement. As I told you that in case of solid, there is a long range ordered arrangement. In liquid, there is a small range of the order arrangement and long range disorder arrangement. So in case of pneumatic liquid crystal, there is a less order arrangement. It is now very clear. If the ordered arrangement is less, it means solid character is less and liquid character is much more in comparison to others. So in this way we can say, third, it has fluidity like liquid. If the ordered arrangement is less, certainty, liquid character is high, more liquid character, and if it has more liquid character, so fluidity will be high. So pneumatic liquid crystals flow like are near about liquid, clear liquid. So this is the another characteristics. Pneumatic liquid crystals are very important in electronic instrument, and therefore we can say that it has a characteristic to align with the electric field. Suppose liquid crystals are any way, suppose like this, here, like this. As soon as electric field is applied, what will happen? All liquid crystal will align together like this, like this, like this. This is the aligned state. So there is another characteristic of the pneumatic liquid is it can be aligned in electric field. In electric field. It can be aligned, it can be aligned in electric field. So in electric field, it can be aligned. As we know that calculator, wristwatch, this liquid crystal, pneumatic liquid crystal can be used. And this is why this liquid crystal, it has optical property. Optical, it has optical property. Optical property. One thing more, all these liquid crystals do not start from same point and do not stop at the same point. The starting and stop point of all liquid crystals are different. Just see here. All these are parallel, no doubt. All these are parallel. Arrangement is parallel like this. But this is one state of the parallel and this is also parallel, but the start and stop is different, and therefore we can say that pneumatic liquid crystal arrangement is parallel, no doubt, but they do not start with the same point and they do not stop at the same point. So this type of the arrangement has been observed in case of the pneumatic liquid crystal. So this is one way to explain the pneumatic liquid crystal having different characteristics. When you understand all these characteristics, certainly you can understand about the pneumatic liquid crystal. This is the very popular liquid crystal, and most of the electronic devices, they are used in many electronic devices. So it is a very popular liquid crystal. Now second, now we shall discuss about the symmetric liquid crystal. Already we have discussed about the pneumatic liquid crystal. So these are the characteristics of the symmetric liquid crystal. Symmetric means soap-like. You know soap, slippery, slippery. Soap is of different layers. So exactly, symmetric liquid crystal also contain number of the layers. Suppose this is the one layer, This is the another layer. More clearly, you can say this is the liquid crystal, liquid crystal, all these are the liquid crystal. They are flowing in one layer, another liquid crystal flowing in another layer. So, always symmetric liquid crystals arrange themselves in layered form. So, one thing, symmetric means soap like. Second characteristic is the fluidity. Fluidity. If there is a less ordered arrangement, more liquid character, and if there is a more liquid character, fluidity will be higher. So liquid, this symmetric liquid crystal has flowing character and they flow in layers. This is the important flow in layers like this, flow in layers. Third characteristic, there are weak forces between liquid crystal. This is the liquid crystal. One layer, another layer, here one layer, another layer. The force of attraction is very small. You can say wonder what type of force of attraction. So if there is a small force of attraction between these two layers of the symmetric liquid crystal, it can slide over. It can slide over. And this is why this liquid crystal can also be used as lubricant, as a lubricant. So this is the slippery. One layer, it can slide over another layer. Why? Because there is a very small force of attraction between two layers of the symmetric liquid crystal. And this is said here, there is a very weak force between liquid crystals. There is a small orientational order as well as a small positional order. So orientational order as well as positional order are very small. Now you can give some examples of the organic compound which can give symmetric liquid crystals on heating. For example, you can say that ethyl para ethyl para azoxybenzoate, ethyl para azoxybenzoate. This is one organic compound. This will change into a symmetric liquid crystal on heating 114 degrees centigrade. So this is the one example. Para azoxy benzoate. Benzoate, it means it is the ester. Ester. Uh, in organic chemistry, you know acid and alcohol combined together giving ester. And in nomenclature, we add ATE in the last name of the compound, we add ATE. So it is also ester and it can give symmetric liquid crystal on heating. So similarly, here you can give the usage of symmetric liquid crystal. So usage number 8, it can be used in laser writing board. symmetric liquid crystal can be used in laser. So it can be used in laser writing board. Laser writing board. So symmetric crystal, liquid crystal can be used in this symmetric liquid crystal also has alignment character in electric field, and therefore it can be used in fast switching fast switching display, fast switching display, fast switching display. So this is another application. The most important is the use of symmetric liquid crystal in cholesteric liquid crystal. When symmetric liquid crystals are mixed with cholesteric liquid crystal, color sensitivity of the cholesteric liquid crystal has been increased. So this symmetric liquid crystal can enhance color imparting character of the cholesteric liquid crystal. So in another lecture, we shall discuss about the cholesteric liquid crystal and the comprehensive application of all types of the liquid crystal. Now, thank you. Thank you very much.